So when I started my practice, some 12 years ago, one of the most common questions I used to get is, does acupuncture actually work? So after a couple minutes of talking, of course, acupuncture works. It's been working for thousands of years on billions of people across the planet. Not only in China, which everybody expects, but Japan and Korea and Vietnam and Asia. Also, England has its own form of acupuncture. France has its own form of acupuncture. Germany has had acupuncture as part of their medical system for more than 100 years. So it's used across the planet, so it's much more an effect of what is acupuncture good for. And like I said earlier, because it doesn't treat symptoms, it's used for a wide range of problems. Over the last decade, as my practice has grown, what I'm starting to see is a lot more sophistication and integration, especially with physicians here at West Allis. A lot of physicians, more and more, are referring patients to me that aren't getting the results that they're expecting, not only for fertility, but for pain also. Acupuncture really was instrumental in helping reduce pain in this country, and that's how it started expanding and expanding. So now, not only physicians are referring patients to me, but they're also coming as patients themselves, because they understand that there's no one system of medicine that is perfect. And what we've seen here in the West is a very high-tech, very expensive system of medicine that employs what's called the high-tech, low-touch. What we're starting to see is more and more people are starting to look for different alternatives. And those alternatives are much more a high-touch, low-tech. Now, acupuncture, Reiki, massage, chiropractic, all these are very high-touch, low-tech types of medicine, and they're having an effect all the time. Aromatherapy is another one. So all these are starting to come into play, and you know what? People are getting results, and it's not just the placebo effect. It's actually results in healing. And a lot of times we don't understand it. There's this whole unknown that we don't quite understand yet, but I think we're getting better and better at it. So it's quite an amazing area to be in, to see this shift over the last 10 years, and I expect that's just going to continue over the next 10 years.